Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that when you're just using your Microsoft Teams not working, and when you're just using with your Teams, and sometimes they're crashing, they're not working. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the settings. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and is going to the software update and is update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So many users facing issue because they cannot update the latest iOS version. So that's why apps not working properly. Many apps not working properly. So that's why you have to just update the latest iOS version. After that, just simply just going to the iPhone storage. Just tap on that and just find your app of your Microsoft team. Just like that, I'm gonna find it. I'm just scroll it down and just find the Microsoft and just scroll it down and just find the Microsoft team. So wait for a second, I'm gonna find it. Just take a second, and that's one. Just tap on that and see that there is a Microsoft team. So just have this option of offload app. Just tap on offload app and again restart from that section. So that's the settings you have to make sure. And after that, just going back and just scroll it down and just find a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After doing all the settings, if your problem not gonna solve, simply just uninstall the Microsoft team just like that. Just going to the Microsoft team, just tap that and just remove the app and just going to again go to the App Store and just search Microsoft team and download it and make sure your problem gonna solve after that settings. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.